Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pasquini espresso machine. You can see the filter was heavily clogged on this one, the screen, and so we did a deep cleaning, replaced those parts that were all mucked up, and now the machine's working great. The best way to prevent that sort of thing is to backflush your machine every 60 shots. But we know people have busy lives, and we're here to help if the machine just isn't performing the way it needs to, for whatever reason. So, see, it pours a nice shot of espresso. I probably should have tightened up the grind a little bit, but it's a good shot of espresso, and let's check the steam. Nice strong steam, hot water. Hot water is good. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.